once we have installed Tableau desktop version on our systems and double clicked on its icon, we got this activate Tableau screen with us. And when we clicked on start trial for 14 days, we got this registration page. So over here, we'll enter our basic details, okay? Our email ID. It's better you use your work email ID. Then your phone number, if any. You can use a random phone number as well. Doesn't matter as much. Organization you are working for, the city, and some postcode, which again it doesn't matches it entirely, so you can enter any, okay, and then go for registration. Let's go for registration now. So it has sent our details to the Tableau server and our registration is complete. So we can start the product usage from now up till 14 days. So let's continue. So in this way, you register means you install your Tableau desktop, register, and then this Tableau homepage opens for you. It shows us this is the basic window, the homepage of Tableau desktop. This first shows us that we have a 14-day trial which has started, and these are the various data sources from which we can connect. We can connect to the Tableau server. We can connect or we can get the data from Microsoft Excel files, text files, or CSV files, if any, JSON files, the databases, PDF files, and if some others, you can use them as well. So when we click on more, we can open any of the files we wish to import. We can even connect to the SQL servers, MySQLs, and these are some of the pre-existing saved data sources within the Tableau desktop version. So you can use these data sources and check out some of the inbuilt desktop this visualizations, the Tableau visualization. I'll open one for you just to give you a feel of how the visualizations will look like when we'll be acquainted with creating the Tableau dashboards. So it's fetching the Superstore sample data, which comes by default as a sample in the Tableau desktop version. Just wait a second, it's still processing. So this data set has these many amounts of sheets: performance, forecast, sales map, sales product. So this is how this dashboard looks like. This dashboard is telling us the executive overview for the profitability of this superstore company. This is basically a store like Walmart, uh, where they sell furnitures and office supplies and some technology products. So state by state, it's giving us the sales figures monthly based on the product categories. And for coming out with this dashboard, we had created a number of sheets on, and this data, each data is has been obtained from one sheet. So multiple sheet data combined together are placed on a single dashboard for visualization. So at client end, it looks something like this. If the client has to see the profitability, all these figures like sales, profits, profit ratio, all of them are being shown currently for all the regions. This profit per order, sales per order, discount, and quantity. If you would like to check it for a particular region, say uh, northern states only, you can definitely do that. So once you take it for northern states, I'm checking northern states. Okay, so I've got the stats for the northern states. Now in the northern states, the profit ratio is ranging from minus 101% to 47%, and the profitability ratio is also ranging from minus 50% to plus 50%. Now, if I would like to see the profits ranging only in the positives, I would like to see only the profits ranging from say 0 to 47%. I can change this filter, and accordingly the data over here will change. If I would like to see for a specific region, I can point out that region, and the stats related to that will start appearing to me. So in this way, the end dashboards which we'll be making they'll be very interactive and they'll help the CXO and CEO levels to get the gist of the entire data on a single screenshot of the dashboard we'll make. So I think it has created immense amount of interest in you people that why we should go on for learning Tableau. So it will be more interesting as we go along the journey.